Okay, so this is a video to show how to do dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is just a way to convert from one kind of unit into a different kind of unit using what's known as a conversion factor. And on all your quizzes and tests, I will give you the conversion factors necessary to solve the problems. So here's an example problem. How many feet are in 7 kilometers? There's no real straightforward way to convert from feet to kilometers, but there are ways to do it. And we're going to start with what we might know about kilometers and miles, and then miles and feet. So let me start by giving you your conversion factors. I know that in 1 kilometer there is 0.621 miles, and again, this information I will give you on any of your papers that we do with this. And I know that in 1 mile there is 5,280 feet. And these are the factors, conversion factors, I'm going to use to solve this. So I'm going to start by writing my equation. Okay, I'm going to always start with the information that the problem gives me, which in this case is 7 kilometers. It says how many feet are in 7 kilometers. So I'm going to put that down. Then I'm going to put a multiplication symbol, and then I'm going to put a line for division. And now I can use my first conversion factor. So on this side of the equation, I have kilometers on the top of the division symbol. And so now I'm going to put kilometers on the bottom. And we'll talk about why we did that later. And I know from my conversion factor that 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621 miles. Okay, now I've gone from kilometers to miles, and I need to now go from miles to feet. So again, multiplication symbol, division line, and now, because I have miles on top, I'm going to put miles on the bottom. And so 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And now I'm ready to solve. I'm ready to put this in my calculator and get an answer. And when I do that, I would do 7 times 0.621 divided by 1 times 5,280 divided by 1. And I get an answer of 22,952.16. But if you put that for your answer, you're still not right because you forgot, again, the unit. And so to figure out what our unit should be, we know we want it to be feet, but to check if we did that correctly, we will cancel out our units. So here I have kilometers on the top, and here I have kilometers on the bottom. So those cancel out. Here I have miles on the top, and here I have miles on the bottom. So those cancel out. And so I'm left with feet as my unit. And so that's exactly what I'm going to put over here. Feet. And now that is my final answer, and that's how you solve this type of dimensional analysis problem.